So we love data at The Guardian, and for us it's become a really essential part of our digital thinking. We let the data guide us, and in many ways we make lots of decisions based on the data. I should add, sometimes we look at the data and choose to ignore it. Let me give you some examples of how we use data. So for example, we've built an in-house attention analytics system called Ophan that shows the performance of our content at any moment of any day. And if you were to come to the Guardian newsroom, you'd see it on TV screens all around the building. And what that helps the editorial team is understand what happens to their stories, their articles, when they go live. It also helps the team understand how to sort of optimize them for different platforms. Now, I think I'd like to pause on that point. Many people suddenly go, oh, if you follow the data, doesn't that mean you're just going to write about the things that show the data and drive big audiences?
Like cats dancing around.
Cats dancing around, exactly. Now, that's not going to happen at The Guardian. The data doesn't determine what we cover, but it does determine how we distribute it, how we amplify it. So for example, the team at The Guardian now has a much better sense about which sort of story is going to work really well on Facebook versus which is going to work really well on Pinterest versus Facebook. So we have limited resources. So when we publish content, somebody's got to make a decision on should we push it first on Twitter or Facebook or Pinterest, and through the data we've got a much better understanding about which platforms, which audiences are going to react to which type of content. Another example of how we use data is A/B testing. So as we build new products, we try different things all the time. At any one moment, we've got lots of tests running on the Guardian site. And what we do is we run different versions of something and we see how they perform. Sometimes things perform really well, so we sort of go, oh, let's make that a permanent feature, and then we try to improve it kind of further. Sometimes we try things and we see, that's not really making much of a difference, so we'll therefore not exert much energy on that and move on to the next thing.